In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Threads account private or public on iPhone. If you want more control over who can see your posts and replies on Threads, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to change your profile privacy. We'll use the built-in settings inside the app, and the change takes effect immediately once you flip the switch. Start by opening the Threads app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load your home feed so you're on the main screen. From here, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your own page where you can see your posts, followers, and settings. In the top right corner of your profile, tap the two horizontal lines to open the settings menu. You might hear these called the menu or hamburger icon. Either way, this is where all your account options live. In the settings list, look for and tap privacy. This section controls who can interact with you and who can view your content. Inside privacy, select profile privacy. This is the specific place where you switch your account between public and private. You'll see an option labeled private account with a toggle next to it. Turning the toggle on makes your Threads account private. When your account is private, only people you approve as followers can see your posts and replies. New people who want to follow you will send a request, and you'll decide whether to accept them. This is a great choice if you prefer a more controlled, personal audience. Your existing followers will still be able to see your content unless you remove them, and your future posts will be limited to your approved followers. If you want your content to be visible to a wider audience, turn the private account toggle off to make your account public. With a public account, anyone can view your posts and replies, and people can follow you without approval. This is helpful if you're trying to reach more people, share updates broadly, or grow your presence. There's no save button here. Your choice applies right away. If something doesn't look familiar, make sure you're on your profile screen before opening the menu, and double check that you're in the privacy section, not a different settings page. That's all it takes. Open Threads on your iPhone, go to your profile, tap the two lines at the top right, select privacy, then profile privacy, and use the private account toggle to choose private or public. Adjust at any time to match how you want to share.